Hi guys, welcome back. Here is another video on how I made another quilted Christmas ornament, and this is the pattern that I'll be making. As you know, I usually use 3-inch styrofoam balls, and I cut my fabric squares to 2.5 inches. So this is the fabric that I'll be using. You see they have the flowers. I'm gonna try and get a flower that has extra fabric on the sides. So here I'm cutting the fabric, and this is going to be put in the center on both sides of the styrofoam ball. I'm gonna put a pin in the middle of the flower, so that way I can put it right in the middle of the styrofoam ball. That way I'm marking the center. Now I'm gonna put some pins all around the fabric to hold everything in place. But you're gonna see later on that some of the pins I will remove them once I start pinning some of the fabrics down. Now I'm gonna fold my red fabric into triangles. This is how I fold the squares into triangles. You've seen this before 100 times. I folded, marked the center, and now I'm gonna start pinning the fabric. Here's gonna be a little bit tricky because of the shape of the flower, but that's okay. I'm just gonna keep putting red fabric all around it. To start with the striped fabric. Now I'm going to pin that fabric in between the red fabric. See how I'm doing it here? And I'm gonna repeat the same pattern. Remember, when you are using striped fabric, make sure that all the lines goes towards the same direction. That's the only part about working with fabric that has line. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the same fabric that I used on the first line, the dotted red fabric, and I'm going to pin that on top of the striped fabric. And you know, my measuring tool is the width of my nails. Here I'm doing it, and then I'm gonna repeat the same thing all around the ball. So I started working on the other side. I already put the flower fabric in the center and the red dotted fabric. And now what I'm going to do is put the striped fabric in between the red fabric. And now it's time to embellish the ornament with some ribbons and some gold push pins. Here's the ornament all completed. Hopefully this will inspire you to make your own quilted ornaments, and if you do, remember to send me a photo so I can see them. Well guys, hope you liked this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Merry Christmas everyone.